This is a Humitherm Plus controller for stability chamber. It's a LCD display version with 6 keypad buttons, page button, enter button, up and down arrow key, left right arrow key, and acknowledge button. This operates on a 24 volt DC supply. So wiring connections are as follows. This is a power supply connection of 24 volt DC. So here we have connected a 24 volt supply given to a SMPS of a 24 volt DC SMPS power supply given to a 230 volt. It's having a two inputs, temperature and humidity input. Temperature here we have connected as a PT100 sensor input, and humidity sensor we have given a 0 to 5 volt sensor. Inputs for temperature can be given in PT100 format, milliampere and voltage format. Similarly for humidity we can give the volt input in milliampere and voltage. And controller is having a excitation provision of 5 volt DC and 24 volt DC for transmitter connection, input connection. The input connection details for each parameter. For temperature it is given as here PT100. You have to connect as per the diagram mentioned here. In terminal number 9 you have to connect positive, and 10 and 11 negative wires. Similarly, if you are connecting a humidity output sensor, here we are using a 1 to 3.6 volt sensor, and it consists of 3 wires sensor, red, green and black. Red is excitation, 5 volt DC, green is a signal, and black is a ground. So we have connected the green signal wire in terminal number 13, excitation in 5 volt DC of terminal number 16, and we have looped a negative ground wire with terminal number 17 and 14. The controller is having a 4 outputs of 12 volt DC SSR, heater, humidifier, compressor and alarm. Heater is for temperature output, humidifier is for humidity sensor output, boiler output, compressor is cooling output, and alarm for any alarms occurring in the controller. Each output is of 12 volt. In the diagrams, terminal numbers are given as per the diagram in the figure. The controller is having a digital inputs of water level input, door, battery for mains failure and alarm acknowledge input as per the given diagram here. We are given a common is for all the negative, grounded for battery, door, alarm acknowledge and water level input. Common terminal is 7 number terminal, and respectively different positive inputs for door, battery, acknowledge, water level we have mentioned here on the diagram. To communicate the controller with the PC software, here we have to connect to the RS485 communication terminal number 31 and 30 through RS485 to USB converter. This is the RS485 to USB converter. Here we have connected from plus to plus and minus to minus of controller to converter and connected, and the converter is connected to PC end via USB converter, USB port.